We transform ideas into masterpieces. We don't just create decorations, but we create spotlight stealer.
We believe that beauty can be found in everyday living.
We strive to be the frontier in designing marble and work hand in hand with more talents and creative designers. For the past years, we've gone through a lot of process, and it's very meaningful for us. The journey how we maintain the brand and the business, and consistent with our quality.
With our deep understanding of marble and working with more than 20 years experienced artists,
we are master in creating artwork of marble.
We will always pursue innovation in the marble industry. Great design with ergonomic concept.
And most importantly, put our client satisfaction on top of our priority. Every milestone is a learning step for us to grow more and expand more. This year, we take a bold step, coming closer to you with our first flagship store. A place where we can connect, engage, and deliver excellent arts of marble.
This flagship store will be a perfect gallery to display and showcase our marble lifestyle collection. This will be the beginning of creative collaboration era of Marble & Co. with other creative designers and brands.